Hello, my name is Erin and I want to perform a beautiful traveler. I have a video of this Swift Traveler 54. This is 62. So let's begin. Here a brief specification about this traveler. You can scan QR code or call me if you need more information. Okay, let's begin. Very quiet, wide and spacey area. Here we have even 2 armchairs, handy rail equipped with a glass, beautiful glass. Here a big area. Maybe let's go right first to the bow. Here's very handy. It has a joystick. Okay, let's go ahead. It has a roof for sun and rain protection. Again, here on our way we have a door to get inside. This one is with a huge lounging area on the bow. You can see the seats which can be transformed to the big lounge area. Here a view to the Flybridge. Okay, very sunny and at the same time windy weather today. So one more door to get inside, and here let's take a look inside. Hi, hello. AC working really nice, so it's absolutely cold, even a little bit like freezy. If stay for 1 hour, maybe even freezy inside, despite the South Florida, yeah, I can say winter weather. It's like a very hot, and here a lot of shelves and storages from right side. Here big and nice and very inviting and cozy lounge area. Okay, rail on the top. Here a kitchen. It is a kitchen here. Okay, there's everything. One more door outside, what is very handy if we have some obstruction, maybe guests or maybe crowd this area. So you can reach to the cockpit area through this door, so it's very handy. And I believe this is fridge, so this is fridge. Let's open it. Okay, yeah. You see full-size fridge, up and down. One more sitting area for dinner or whatever you want. And the table can be transformed. Here a helm with 2 seats, 3 screen, Raymarine electronics. Okay, let's go down. Okay, let's go ahead. So it has here twin room, and here is a master. Big and very comfortable king-size bed. Absolutely gorgeous and big windows from both sides, together with the tables, a lot of storages. You can see how many storages from both sides. here one more head. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay. Nice, one more. Yes. From this area we have steps to the Flybridge, but I'm gonna go from the cockpit. Again, one more time, how it is everything here. Okay, let's go upstairs. So it's how it looks like here. I believe it has a nice and beautiful lights, which you can see during the night or maybe during evening. The roof can be modified. Nice stone work for the area with the grill. Here, huge and big launch area. One, you can do here even some workout, and after have a dinner. Yeah. Yes, okay, one more launch area. Yeah, what the view. Helm with electronics here, and here you can go downstairs. This is a view from Flybridge to the bow. Rails, lights. If you carefully take a look in each details, it's really nice. And here again, helm with electronics, 3, even not 2, 3 Marine screens, and 2 seats, captain and mate, or maybe owner and his wife. So it is like this. Nice wood make table and everything stylish. And please notice how colors is fit together with each other. So okay, let's go down. So easy to reach to the cockpit area. Lights, handles, everything handy and nice. So again, it was a Grand Trawler 62. If you need more information, call me 786-202-4003. My name is Erin, and this is me. Hi. Yeah, if you need any information, additional information about this trawler, let me know, and I will answer all of your questions and help you during your way to the purchase, or if you need some other after sale service as well, I will be glad to help you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.